Jowie Irungu no ria kana na doria mekuagirwo kuraga muhuri wi biacara kana muhuri wi gatu wa biacara no ri kaine ta Monica Kimani gicigo-ini hiki ya Kilimani kule kaunti-ini ya Nairobi wa gugathikiririo gugathikiririo tariki ithathatu mweri wa ikumi mwaka uyu turi wa 2023 itwa ririanitio ni mucirithania uri wikaine ta Grace Nzioka wakiri wa Jowie ni ugite ati mwena wa thitango ni urikitie kuheana uira muiganu guku nake mundu wikaine ta wakiri wa Maribe no ri wikaine Kigen kadakatwo Kigen na kiuga ati gutiri wira wa DNA no ri wonanitie ati Monica uru hamwe na mundu witu Maribe mari hamwe.
It is on record that she was not in communication and no one can actually say where she was for those 2 hours, those 3 hours, my lady. My lady, between 8 to midnight. My lady, we did a scene visit and we saw how close Citizen headquarters, the alleged entertainment bar restaurant that she said she was in, and Lumilia Gardens was. Nothing has been provided to this court to rebut.
Yes, it's mentioned there. It's mentioned. Yes, because of time, but it's mentioned. Yes, my lady. Also, the issue of DNA on a shot, on the brown shot. What the prosecution produced in this court is a yellow.
Lady, there was no DNA relationship. There is no DNA connection that was attempted between the second accused and the deceased. No DNA connection. Number 3, my lady, there was no fingerprint relationship between the second accused and the deceased that was attempted. Number 4, my lady, there was no blood group association between the blood that was said to have been found at the premises of the deceased. There is no blood group relationship between the second accused and the deceased that was brought was advanced.
Beginning of the month of October. Okay. And I'll be suggesting that we take Friday when the court is not very busy. So let's look at our diaries. With the council's
ona makiria kumakoria magoti-ini na gitio kinene ni gutitwara kahinda-ini gaitu ka mbere guikiria rida twambe tuikirie no